we're starting this video off today with, you know, calming babies down. That's always fun, right? Hey, can you see yourself in the camera? That calms you down real quick, huh? But, so me and Finn are out in the garage today. It's us. We don't think this Corvette out here is quite loud enough. 4 cats and 4 mufflers is a little bit too much. So let's get this thing up in the air and get his help to continue chewing on this silicone coupler, because that's always a great thing. Great dad move, right? And then, yeah, car up on jack stands. I already have the front done. I want to get the back up there. And then yank off the mid pipe and the mufflers, see about cutting these cats out and welding in a cat delete pipe, test pipe, whatever people want to call it. So yeah, simple video today. We just want to give you guys a huge shout out. Thank you for the likes, the comments, the subscriptions. Almost to 1,000, you know, quarter of the way there, 1/5 of the way there, somewhere around there. And yeah, the watch time is just shooting up there, which is fantastic. Shorter videos seem not to do as great when I get the 20 to 30 minute videos up. Obviously they get watched more because they're longer, but the feedback is there too, so which is just something I enjoy and I really like. So we'll keep on that, get more content out for you guys, and me and this little dude right here are gonna get some stuff done, so let's do it. So now that we got the bolts off this, let's move my phone so I don't smash my screen. I have to undo the rear O2 sensors, leaving the front two, and so I can catch these gaskets. Let's go, you guys. Here's my foot. It should just drop down on that, I think. Well, that's a little bit heavier than I thought. Let's go ahead and take this out too. Is what I noticed under the car. Those are some straight bird shit welds. And that, and that. Gotta go. So, what I'm thinking is just cutting them and just replacing them with little straight sections of pipe. These ones are offset a little bit, but that shouldn't be a big deal. Alright, let's get this set up at a better angle, probably over here in the back. Get it all cut apart. Once it's cut apart, we'll get some straight sections of pipe going, figure out what we gotta do, and start welding it back out.
"2,000 years later."
So, getting off these safety glasses real quick, running past the phone so we don't hear any music and monetization crap. Head flanges. Magnaflow mufflers, X-pipe flanges, the part for the brace and the little bends, because I don't want to try and remake that. So the plan here is obviously wheel the welder over in place, get the head pipes bolted back up. I cut these little shorties roughly 1/8 of an inch longer than each cat piece, so that would be cool. I should be able to, while I swing in here, I should be able to just fit everything right back up, weld it all back in place, be set. Ooh, My face did not like any of that, but, and I got 4 cats I can sell, so that's cool. But let's get this all mocked back up, get it all in place, and see where we can get this going. Whew. Getting my butt kicked out here, a little bit warm. And of course the GoPro dies while I'm doing some cutting and some welding, but one of the last clips that we saw was obviously cutting out the pieces. Still a little bit warm. Just knocked out a quick little section here. I mean, it's just 2 little, like 7-inch pieces to delete the smaller head cats. And then we're gonna go through now and match up to what's under there. And I went ahead and used that jack to level up the center of it. And then I have this jack somewhat holding up back here. I might need a longer piece of pipe to support all 4 of those. That's what I'm thinking here. Alright, so I'll find that, and then I'm gonna, that way it keeps the tips and everything level. So that's what I want to do, is I want to get all that set. So jump back out here, keep going on this, and then get hopefully some fireball clips going here pretty soon. So in the last clip we see like an idiot, I did the number one mistake of any fab guy, and I ran out of welding wire. And I ran out of cutoff wheels today too, because all those cuts were just crappy. So I went and grabbed a hole saw for the Envoy's exhaust, because I want to get the fender dump done. Some cutoff wheels, some welding wire, finish this guy out. Nothing too fancy, nothing too good, just, you know, 4 cats removed. That's all we really wanted to do, was cut out these cats. I'm gonna get this all back together. I do have someone who wants to buy these, and I'm making almost 500 bucks off that. So that's pretty funny. I didn't really know about that whole selling cat thing, or selling cats plural. And I hit somebody up on Facebook just cause, and was like, hey, do you really buy these? And he's like, hey, give me the numbers off them, and oh, I'll give you this much money. Awesome. That's gonna buy some stuff for this. I mean, I have a few grand just floating, waiting to do some stuff for some projects. I just don't know where, what, how I want to do it. Kind of hoping somebody comments and tells me, build this or build that, you know, but if not, we're just gonna keep building stuff ourselves, figuring it out, possibly drifting the Corvette, possibly making it a drag car. What? I'm not really sure yet. All I do know is I want an Envoy transmission. I want an 80E for my Envoy so I can whoop some butt with it and actually try and do some real launches and boost it, you know. But for now, let's get this on, get it back together, and see if no cats, we'll do some fireballs on the 2-step now. So, voice crack there after stopping, eating some dinner, spending a little bit of time with some puppies and the family. See if this thing wants to focus on me. Hi there. It's done. No cats. It's on the ground. My butt is not that dirty. And after going and getting all these things dropped off and stuff, it did get a little dark. It's like 8:45. My neighbor's gonna love this. I really hope it's not the loudest thing in the world. messed around with it. I let it warm up. I got the balls, and here, let's set this here where we can see the Corvette. That surprisingly works way too good. It actually perfectly works on the clutch switch. I bit my lip when I did that. That sounded great. Yeah, so two-step, loud Corvette. I want to take it out and I want to rip it so bad, but I don't think I'm going to. It's late enough, and now that's a cop thing. So, gonna end the video here with a loud red Corvette. What more can you really ask for, right? Average Joe builds. Have a good night, guys.